When it comes to travel, having the right carry-on luggage can make all the difference. As we head into 2025, the options available are more advanced than ever, blending cutting-edge technology with sleek, durable designs. From smart suitcases equipped with built-in chargers and GPS tracking to lightweight options that maximize storage without sacrificing style, the best carry-on luggage of 2025 offers travelers convenience and peace of mind. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional adventurer, our top picks for the year will help you pack smarter, travel easier, and look great while doing it. Samsonite Proxis. The Samsonite Proxis redefines travel with its durable yet stylish hardside design, perfect for modern adventurers seeking both functionality and elegance. Crafted from rockskin material, this innovative luggage bounces back into shape, offering unparalleled strength, resilience, and lightness, ensuring it withstands the rigors of frequent travel. For tech-savvy travelers, the integrated USB port allows you to stay connected on the go, making it easy to charge your devices anywhere, anytime. The smooth rolling four-wheel system ensures effortless mobility, while the elongated double-tube pull handle offers superior comfort and stability, allowing for seamless maneuvering through crowded airports. Inside, the Proxis offers two spacious compartments equipped with removable cross ribbons, keeping your belongings organized and secure. A large pocket on the divider pad nods to its practicality, while hidden expandability provides extra storage when needed, making it ideal for longer trips or last-minute additions to your packing list. Adding a touch of personalization, you can have your initials monogrammed on the integrated leather tag, making your Proxis suitcase truly unique. At a price of $469, the Samsonite Proxis combines sophistication with innovation, delivering a premium travel experience designed to meet all your needs, whether you're traveling for business or pleasure. Nomatic Method Carry-On. The Nomatic Method Carry-On is designed to revolutionize the way you travel, offering 20% more capacity than traditional carry-ons, making it ideal for trips lasting a week or more. Built with the modern traveler in mind, this luggage combines durability, functionality, and smart design for seamless travel experiences. Crafted with best-in-class materials like durable YKK zippers, it also features 360-degree silent glide wheels for smooth mobility, allowing you to navigate through airports with ease. The micro-welding technology enhances the suitcase's durability, while the integrated TSA locks provide added security, ensuring peace of mind when checking in. One of the standout features is the full perimeter expansion, which allows the Method carry-on to expand from 9 inches to 10.75 inches, providing additional space when needed. Inside, the compression panel and internal organization pockets help keep your belongings neatly arranged, making it easy to pack efficiently. Plus, the suitcase includes a concealed GPS tracker pocket, offering an extra layer of security for those who travel with valuable items. The 3-stage aluminum trolley handle provides maximum comfort when rolling the suitcase, and the easy clean interior ensures that keeping your luggage fresh is never a hassle. At a price of $349.99, the Nomatic Method carry-on offers premium features at a competitive price, making it a perfect choice for travelers looking for a reliable, expandable, and stylish piece of luggage. WHYTRIP Suitcase. The WHYTRIP Suitcase elevates travel with its intelligent modular organization, designed to give every belonging its designated space. This innovative approach to packing ensures that every journey begins with elegance and serenity, allowing travelers to stay organized and stress-free. With a 40-liter main cabin storage space, the WHYTRIP Suitcase provides ample room for your essentials. Its unique vertical top and side openings offer easy access to your belongings on the go, ensuring orderly storage and retrieval during busy travel days. Additionally, the front lid storage space, upper storage space, and top lid storage board add extra layers of practicality for packing smaller items or quick access essentials. One of the standout features is the suitcase's ability to support an adult's weight, converting into a sturdy seat for resting during long waits or exhibitions. Whether upright or horizontal, the WHYTRIP Suitcase offers a moment of tranquility when you need it most. Built for durability, the WHYTRIP Suitcase combines PC plus ABS material with a 1000T auto-interior injection molding process, making it resistant to compression and impact. It effectively absorbs shocks, protecting your belongings from travel mishaps. The quiet-bearing omnidirectional wheels and 2-in-1 hidden handle enhance mobility, while the TSA customs lock ensures your luggage remains secure. With a waterproof exterior and easy-to-clean inner seals, the WHYTRIP Suitcase shields against moisture and dirt, keeping your luggage fresh. Priced at $269, it offers a perfect blend of style, durability, and convenience for modern travelers. Solgaard Carry-On Closet Lite. The Solgaard Carry-On Closet Lite is a perfect blend of lightweight design, sustainability, and innovative organization, making it ideal for the eco-conscious traveler. Crafted from durable polycarbonate, this carry-on is both tough and lightweight, ensuring long-lasting protection without the bulk. A standout feature of the Solgaard Carry-On Closet Lite is its signature flow closet system, which keeps your belongings organized on the go. The built-in shelving system ensures everything has its place, allowing you to unpack and access your items with ease. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or a longer trip, this system streamlines your travel experience. Inspired by motorcycle engineering, the 2-height adjustable handle provides sturdy, smooth control thanks to its aircraft-grade aluminum tubing. The suitcase's 360-degree effortless wheels ensure smooth, quiet rolling through airports and city streets, while the soft-touch top and side handle grips offer maximum comfort when lifting or maneuvering. In keeping with its eco-friendly mission, all textiles in the Carry-On Closet Lite are made from ShoreTex, a fabric crafted from 100% recycled ocean plastic. The suitcase also comes with a drawstring laundry bag, which doubles as a dust cover when the suitcase is in storage. An integrated USB port adds convenience, allowing you to charge devices while on the go. With an integrated TSA-approved lock for security and a price of $265, the Solgaard Carry-On Closet Lite is not just a suitcase, it's a sustainable, stylish, and highly functional travel companion. TravelPro VersaPack Plus. The TravelPro VersaPack Plus carry-on expandable spinner offers ultimate packing versatility, making it a perfect companion for frequent travelers. Designed for durability and sizer bin, tested to fit in the overhead compartments of most major U.S. airlines, this carry-on ensures hassle-free boarding. Its advanced packing features, including a removable packing cube organizer and compression system, maximize interior space and keep your belongings secure. Additional convenience comes from the 2 shoe bags that isolate footwear, a removable laundry bag, and a built-in wet pocket, which separates damp or soiled items from the rest of your luggage. Whether you're packing for a short or medium-length trip, or using it as a complement to other luggage, the VersaPack Plus is versatile enough to meet your travel needs. The zippered expansion option increases packing space by up to 2 inches, giving you flexibility when needed. If you decide to check the bag, the TSA-compliant lock ensures your belongings remain secure while allowing authorized inspections. Constructed with YKK zippers, a rugged, stain-resistant ballistic nylon exterior, and a water-resistant eco-fab lining made from 100% recycled plastic bottles, the VersaPack Plus is built for long-term durability. Its precision glide system features 8 360 degrees MagnaTrack self-aligning spinner wheels and a 4-stop power scope handle, providing smooth, effortless maneuverability. Priced at $297.49, the TravelPro VersaPack Plus combines style, sustainability, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for travelers who value organization and durability. Thanks for watching our guide to the best carry-on luggage of 2025. We hope this helped you find the perfect suitcase for your next trip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest travel tips and gear reviews. Let us know in the comments which carry-on stood out to you, and stay tuned for more travel-friendly recommendations. Safe travels!